tonight. You can see the wind and the heavy rain kind of bringing and turning up the surf right now, and it's only expected to get worse over the next couple hours. Across the region, they are preparing for potentially life-threatening flooding, and I can tell you here in Galveston, it's already dangerous. The driving is treacherous, there's low visibility, and as the storm moves from Texas into Louisiana,
2 weeks after the death and devastation of Hurricane Ida. Tropical Storm Nicholas could deliver catastrophic rainfall. Now, there are watches, warnings, and more rain from the Louisiana coast to southeast Texas, including Galveston and Houston.
in fact, the hours to get ready are already past. Businesses are closed, and most school districts are closed for tomorrow.
Total exaggeration. Well, I hardly ever work Saturday, but today I'm working. I have a good customer who calls when he needs us. We don't allow a lot of people to do that. They either have to be weekly or bi-weekly. And the hurricane just passed. And he's got some cleanup to do, so we take really good care of him and knock this out. So it's Saturday morning, a little before 8 o'clock. We're on our way. Today I'm going to show you how a cordless electric lawnmower can cut high grass and how to do it.
So, I'll take you where you wanna go. Hey, ho.
Alright, I'll be meeting Sarah over here. I'm sure she'll be here. She's never late, completely reliable. She's totally awesome to work with, I really have to say. First thing I'm gonna do when I cut is I'm gonna sharpen my blades. So I got here a little bit early so I can have time to do that. Hey guys, I thought I'd take a second and show you the new Ryobi weed eater I picked up. The old one finally quit on me. And the new one, carbon fiber shaft. So it's much lighter, right where you want, less weight on the end. And look what I did here. I kept the guard on, but I modified it. I cut it off. So I can still have long string, but still have the protection of a guard. It does give me a little more protection, so I like it. I'm gonna keep it like that for now. This is our Saturday project lawn. It's a little out of control. This guy just calls me when he needs me. I normally don't let customers do that, but this guy I treated a little special. And we just had the storm, 75-mile-an-hour winds. So we have a few branches here and there to pick up. But mainly he wants the grass cut. And it's pretty tall. I'd say at the tallest it's probably 9 to 10 inches. And it's wet, so it's going to be a challenge today. But we've got all our batteries charged up. We have an outlet right over there, and we've got fast chargers, so we have nothing to worry about. So we'll get started.
Found some eyes that see me from the inside. Nothing left to hide, not even from myself. I wanna call you
Well, here comes the sun. If the sun's up, gotta protect yourself. Work in the shade.
Holding on, tell me what you want, darling. We together, you and me. I want to see the sun shine through your very soul, dear. Find your darkest parts and let the light in. I wanna call you mine.
All right, well, Sarah and I got that job done. A nice little Saturday job.
Holding on to the morning dawn,
We got it done in 2.5 hours. We blew out all the edges into the center of the lawn, and then Sarah mowed it. Started on the top notch, went to number 4, then we wound up on notch number 3 on that Greenworks, which is cutting it pretty low. But there's not a lot of lift on that mower, and we wanted to crunch up some leaves, so we got the job done. And when the customer gets back in town, I think he'll be very happy. And so we had a good Saturday. It's at 11 o'clock now. We normally don't work Saturdays, but we have the last 2. It's becoming a thing, but we're gonna put that to a stop. Just trying to keep everybody happy. There's no lack of work. So I'm heading back to the apartment. I'm gonna get cleaned up, probably go to lunch with my son, and then we are going to go fishing. We haven't been fishing for about maybe 2 or 3 weeks. Looks like nice weather today, and maybe we'll have some luck. So have a great one, guys. See ya.